Is software QA a dead end job? What? These kind of questions generally people ask me whenever I interact with my Facebook group and all. Like, this is one of the questions that people ask me, and this is one of the questions I've seen on Quora also, right? Guys, so they ask me, right? Okay, Pramod, I'm starting my career, and also, is software QA dead or something like this? Okay, software QAs are dying because automation is coming, and also manual testing are dying. What is it, right? So let's debug what exactly it is. I'm going to show you with the back data what is dead and what is not dead, and I'm going to give you some clear information that I've created with the LinkedIn salaries and LinkedIn jobs, right? Let me know what you think about it. All right, so let's get started. All right, guys, so let's jump into the first I'm seeing this discussion on Quora especially, right? This is related to that, is the software testing a dead job or not, right? So there's a person who's basically telling that the top notch companies nowadays are not looking for QAs. Okay, so they are looking like, if we talk about FANG, right, which is basically Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, and Google, right? They are basically not using QA. They are using the what we call it SDETs in that case, which is software developer engineering test. Okay, I totally agree. I mean, to that yes, QAs, they are not hiring. Like, big companies are still not hiring QAs, and they are basically going toward the SDETs, which are mostly related to they help you to create your test frameworks, right? Even they can write your unit test cases. They can help you to release faster. They can add more code, more coverage, more test coverage in that case, more code coverage in that case, right? So yes, totally agree. But let me show you some data regarding like why software testing or software QA is not a dead end job, right? So we are basically comparing herself as a QA or SDET, right? So let me show you this diagram. So right now, so what I have searched is that I have searched quality assurance, which is QA most of the time that people say. It's United States. And if you see, we have nearly around, so I have applied for 1 month of period, past month, I mean to say, we have 73,000 plus jobs right now, right? And if you see the list, you will not see big companies. I would say no, you will not see, definitely you will not see lots of big companies in this case. But 73,000 is a very big number, right? For last month. And if you see, here I've just applied for any time, right? And if you see software developer in test in US, anytime I have applied, is it 20,000 plus. Still, I would say, means my personal point or my research is that QA, quality assurance, and all, right, these are the starting point in that case. The data says, right, it's basically right now software testing is not a dead end job, guys. It's not whenever. So this is a very interesting thing that is written by this person on Quora, that as long as there is software development, there will be a software testing and software creation. Very well written, guys. This is what exactly I'm saying. As long as in software development, software developers are there, they will make mistake, and we are here, right? So we will be here. So software testing is not going anywhere in that case, right? So that's what I wanted to let you know, right, in this case. So even if you can try out, right, if we let's go to our favorite tool, which is basically LinkedIn, right? If you see software developer in Bangalore, Karnataka, like Bangalore, Karnataka, India is like second highest hub, right? Let me make myself a little smaller, right? It's like biggest pool of IT people, right? And if you see software developer in test, Bangalore, 25 miles past month, we have nearly around 1600 results, right? So let's do one thing. Let's do quality assurance, QA quality assurance. Let's see, like nearly double in that case, nearly double, right? So even okay, this is promoted, right? So quality assurance people, like quite a similar. I don't see. Let's do one thing. Let's compare it with the software engineer, right? See, double, right? But point here is not like this. So software testing, software QA is not a dead end job, guys. There are lots of jobs still available, and if you agree with this person, right, I don't know what is the name of it, that as long as the software development is there, software testing will remain. So that's where I will say it's really good got, right? So yes, big companies have started to hire SDETs. So why? So just become SDETs, right? Just learn coding and to move towards the automation, right? Learn this of how you can do the software testing with the automation, right? So you can move towards automation, right? So eventually you can change, right? Why you are sticking towards the manual things and only with the quality assurance things? Move yourself toward the edge that, right? It's very simple. I have seen people doing it. I have myself done it. So go towards it, right? So no guys, no, this is a lie. There's no software QA dead. It's not a dead end job. I've shown you in the LinkedIn lots of jobs are still available. It's up to you how you basically crack those interviews and all, right? I hope it is clear, guys. This was a quick video about it. Is software testing is a QA dead end job? No guys. If you're interested in finding bugs in other codes, if you're interested in learning about software testing, breaking the codes, owning the quality of a product, software testing is for you guys. Okay, so what do you think about this? It's a QA, a dead end job? Comment down below. I'll be happy to help, or I'll definitely will reply to you, right? Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Hey guys, welcome to Testing Academy. अरे लोड तो किया ही नहीं माइंड मैप. Hey guys, welcome to Testing Academy. यार क्यों देते हो डेवलपर को पैसा इतना? एक सेकंड, माइंड मैप ओपन नहीं हुआ. Hey guys, welcome to Testing Academy. My name is Pramod. Hey guys, welcome to Testing Academy. My name is Pramod, and in this video we are going to Hey guys, in this video we are going to discuss about what is the salary of a software tester.